Understanding Eyebrow Fillers, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are going to explore a common term in the beauty industry, eyebrow fillers. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. We'll break it down for you, so you can understand and use this term confidently. Eyebrow fillers are cosmetic products used to enhance the appearance of eyebrows. They come in various forms, like pencils, powders, gels, and waxes. The main purpose is to fill in sparse areas, shape, and define the eyebrows, creating a fuller, more polished look. It's a popular makeup technique for both everyday looks and special occasions. In this section, let's look at the different types of eyebrow fillers. Pencils, thin and precise, great for drawing individual hairs and defining shape. Powders, provide a softer, more natural look, ideal for filling in sparse areas. Gels, used to shape and hold eyebrow hairs in place. They can be clear or tinted. Waxes, offer a stronger hold and are often used in combination with powders. Using eyebrow fillers can be tricky at first. Here are some basic steps. 1. Choose the right color. Match the filler to your eyebrow color. 2. Outline. Use the filler to outline the desired shape of your eyebrows. 3. Fill in. Gently fill in any sparse areas with small, hair-like strokes. 4. Blend. Use a spoolie brush to blend the filler and create a natural look. When using eyebrow fillers, avoid these common mistakes. Overfilling. This can make your eyebrows look unnatural. Wrong color. Using a color that doesn't match your natural eyebrow color. Harsh lines. Remember to blend well for a natural appearance. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what eyebrow fillers are and how to use them. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been helpful in your English language learning journey.